Duralite and Duraseal are both warm edge spacer systems developed by Quanex. Both systems include a butyl sealant, three-sided continuous moisture barrier, and an encapsulated desiccant. But Duralite's non-metal design gives it an edge in reducing thermal conductivity. Compared to traditional aluminum and metal-based spacers, both Duralite and Duraseal offer lower U factors, better insulation, reduced condensation, improved argon retention, and enhanced durability and longevity. Both spacers significantly improve energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer through the window edges, improving glass surface temperatures, making interiors more comfortable. Also by retaining argon gas longer due to the advanced bond line adhesives. And finally, lowering U factors, which means better insulation and reduced energy costs. Manufacturers benefit from Duraseal and Duralite by seeing pre-assembled single-seal designs which simplify production, flexible spacer systems that easily integrate into automated IGU lines, durability and reliability, reducing warranty claims and increasing customer satisfaction. Lastly, consistent quality thanks to the engineered design and material. Automation enhances the reliability in spacer placement and sealing, and ultimately reduces any human error. It improves seal integrity, which is critical for long-term performance, and it delivers consistent thermal and moisture barrier performance, ensuring every unit meets high standards.